Okay, so welcome to day number 5 of our $0 to $100 challenge. I hope you already filled up your profile. I think the next thing you have to do is to become a seller on Fiverr. And I think to do so, let me just click here. Over here. Just click this button that says become a seller, right? And let us join the community. So I'm not a designer, I'm not a developer, I can be a writer. I can be a video editor, but I think if you can tell from my YouTube channel, not the best video editor. Anyway, I digress. Musician, no voiceover. Actually, I can be a half decent voiceover. I think I'm much more of a social media marketer. Let me just click this. Start selling. Wow, easy as that. Okay, to summarize what I've just heard from this particular video is make sure that you upload a profile which will help you stand out, number one. And number two, make sure that your profile truly reflects who you are as a person. Okay, so that's what it says in short. Let us click continue. So once you click the button continue, the next page would basically highlight what makes a successful Fiverr profile. Please take your time into reading this. And the next thing is things that we should stay away from doing. Please take your time towards reading this. And then there we go. First name, last name, picture, profile. This one is still the same description as yesterday. And I have very basic, level of understanding in English. Next thing, if we hit continue, our occupation, so on and so forth. I think what I'll do is I will fill this up and I'll see you guys in the next episode.